What's going on, YouTube? I've got a video for you today. This one's going to be a little bit different. We're doing a freehand beard trim with an edge up. Also, this is part 2 to my skin fade tutorial that was posted on my channel. If you haven't seen it and you want to, you could check it out. I'm really sorry if I sound congested. I think my son passed a little bit of a cold to me. But I do want to say thank you to everybody who has watched my videos or subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot to me. I also have a special announcement at the end of the video, so you'll have to stay tuned to find out what that is, and I'll see you at the end of this video.
So starting out, you're going to want to pick or comb the hair, then just go around and knock out any of the uneven hairs that you see. Once I begin taking bulk, I'll use short, quick thrusting motion or a slow, even floating action and begin to round the beard to the shape of the jaw. On the front of the beard, I will drag my clippers in a reverse downward motion to even the beard out, and I'm only taking whatever is sticking out or coming to a point. We want the beard rounded, not pointed. At this point, I'm taking it down 1/4 inches until I find the right length and keeping the shape proportionate to the jawline. Some important things to keep in mind is you want to change your angles after you've removed any length, even as far to stand directly behind the customer. When you're working around a chair, I like to think of it as a clock. Your customer is pointed at 12. Your position should be at least 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1, 2, and 3. This will just allow you to understand where it is in terms of length as well as shape. Now working with my trimmer, starting the edge up process, I'll begin by removing the cheek hair and setting my first line. Here I'll use the line I make on the cheekbone as a guide for rounding and edging the rest of the beard. Notice I'm holding my trimmers in reverse using the corners of my blade. If you're a new barber or stylist and don't know how to do this, you can always practice by holding your trimmers in various positions while you're not working on somebody until it feels natural. Not everybody does it the same way, but that doesn't mean that you're not putting out quality work. It just means that you might have a different way of doing it. For the mustache, I like to bring the hair off the lip. For that, I'll use the corners of my trimmers or a trimmer over comb. Notice the angle I'm holding the comb. You want to make sure not to cut too much off the mustache or the appearance of the entire beard can be damaged.
Yeah, look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood? Yeah, I just hit a Mikey for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose. Yeah, Dio, be my source, Christian like Dior. Yeah, I can't start when I'm far, just get back up. Yeah, I've been quiet all along on my TP toes. Yeah, I can't keep it to myself, I just give and go. I'm a visionist, yeah, you can't picture this. Yeah, ain't no way you cannot work me, boy, I live for this. Yeah, sipping essential, that's the essentials, I'm influential. Yeah, straight fundamental, that's fundamental, on instrumentals. Yeah, speed of the tempo, yeah, we got potential. Shoot a movie like I'm Denzel, running my route to the end zone. And they still can't find me, man, you know where to find me. I'm tryna get me a Grammy so I can dedicate it to my granny. Look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood? Yeah, I just hit a Mikey for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose. Yeah, Dio, be my source, Christian like Dior. Yeah, I can't start when I'm far, just get back up. Yeah, I've been quiet all along on my TP toes. Yeah, I can't keep it to myself, I just give and go. Yeah, I just turn my L's into W's. Yeah, I just told my sins, yeah, I'm done with you. Yeah, stay in your lane, don't you pick and choose.
So the first step on the razor is removing the top layer of cheek hair. It's important not to cut too close to the beard line just yet. If you work in this direction and get too close to that line, you could end up irritating the skin. For the beard line, I'll use the corner of my blade and shave up to the guide we set with our trimmers. Then I'll connect that line to the sides. Notice I'm using short, quick strokes, stretching the skin with my fingers. It's important to really pay attention to the direction that the hair grows. You always want to shave with the grain.
I can't waste my time, I got a lot to lose. To the game that we all on, they was doubting us all along. Now we charting in Hong Kong, what competition, they all gone. Bless, stress, play the game like it's chess. We next, that's a check, over stripes, yeah, yeah. Tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood? Tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood?
So here's the final transformation. You can watch part 1 by clicking the link on the left. Also, I just want to say thank you to my viewers and those of you who have subscribed. I will be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway where 3 people will be selected at random to win a gift as a thank you. It won't be anything crazy like a vehicle, I'm not that well off, but it will be something very cool. If your information is private but you'd like to be entered, just comment the word subscribed on any of my videos and you will be entered in the giveaway. And if you haven't subscribed, it's not too late. So that's it for me. I've got more coming in the near future, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.